Hey, how you doing? This is Dark Dave here, and this comes with two. It is the 5S Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System Dual. Alright, let's unbox this sucker. Okay, so far I'm pretty impressed with the wrapping. We got two of them. Each one has a rotary control. It does have a face that you can see what's going on when it's off your bike. You've got your connect, you've got your power. So we have two of those. And 3 boxes. The last one is probably instructions. So the first one here. Alright, we have unboxed the 5S. This is everything that's in here. We have got, this will stick on the side, and for the helmet I'm going to be using it on, we're going to stick it with this. Now on my other helmet, I'm probably going to use this one so that it will hook on the side, so it's really easy to come on and off. And the nice thing is when it's raining, I can take it off and not worry about it. It does come with a little Allen key. You have the SENA itself. This particular package has two. There's all the stuff for the other helmet. You have the speakers. You have a short and a long, so that the short's on the side where the SENA is, the long goes around. You have the dead mouse to try and kill off some of the sound. You have some extra Velcro to help everything stick. You've got spacers for some helmets. You might have to space it closer to your ear. You have a boom mic that's a solid. You'll have to use one of the pieces to hold that, because I'm using a half helmet for this particular one. It's going to be that one. If I do this in my other helmet, I might use this piece, and I might hook that on there all the time anyways. And of course you have the charging cable and instructions that have quick start, everything you need to know, basically how to power it on, how to turn it off, in a couple of different languages. So let's get the 3M. I don't know why, but they say you should always rub it before you take the thing off, because it's actual 3M. I will do that. Soft brand I won't. Real quick pill. Yep. I'm putting it just behind the little angle there. So it's on. This guy then will literally just slide on. It's that simple. Everything hooks in here. So I've got my speakers. We're going to unhook those. Make sure I've got lined up here right. Boom. It just locks in, which is real easy. Take your short one. Make sure everything's off of it. Now for me, I'm going to make sure I've got it nice and tight. I'm going behind the earpiece. Now this earpiece is pretty lucky. It comes with a little pocket. So you've got the outside and the inside. Stick it in there. Boom, it's right behind the ear. The longer one is going to go around. Make sure my microphone is sitting up front. And I'm going to tuck that in. But I'll unhook that so I can do that. There we go. Now the belt is a little bit on the stubborn side, so you gotta really work to get that in there. Again, they have little pockets. It's all Velcroed together. So you unvelcro it. Make sure that you have the speaker pointing out. Revelcro it. I'm going to push all that in. And microphone. Boom. So microphone is going to sit right about here. got all kinds of extra there. I'm gonna have to do something about that. I'm not sure how I'm gonna hook this. See, it's Velcroed. All right, that hook there. This is gonna be right in front of my mouth, which is good. I put one of the dead mice on it. There we go. It's just off the mouth. You should be able to hear it. I'm gonna do a test with it a little later. But this is the half helmet setup. I'm gonna try and hide the cords. It doesn't really say how to hide them. With the Bell helmet, it's a little different than it would be with my other helmet. My other helmet, it's going to be really easy to hide because I can move all the pieces out. The Bell is really stiff, and because of the zipper, I'm not really sure, but I will find out. And we'll be back. We'll get a screwdriver because the Bell helmet has almost zero space there. And just so you can see, you're trying to do this without crushing the cord. And you just literally have to inch by inch push the cord